Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to open up and disassemble this Lenovo IdeaPad 3. This has a broken hinge, okay? So as you can see, the hinge is broken, and we're going to fix this. This is a very common issue lately on these Lenovo laptops. Alright, so I'm going to flip this over, and I'm hanging it off the edge of my desk like this, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and tilt this a bit more. Alright. So we'll have that hanging off the edge of my desk. We're going to be using a JS1 screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the screws. You want to keep them in order because they can be different size, shape, and length. The way I do that, I put them flat side down like that on my desk in the pattern I remove them. So we got 3 here, and then 4 going along there. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove all those screws. If this video helps you out, please make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade or repair their devices as well. And if it helps you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. I don't know why there's this scotch tape here, but I'm going to take that out and throw it away. Okay. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. Hopefully they didn't have that there for some reason. Okay, and we'll get all of these out. Alright, if you can't contribute to the channel monetarily, even a few cents, it'd be very helpful if you could watch a few of my other videos and then like and comment on those as well, because that's what the YouTube algorithm likes to see. Alright, anyways, if you're removing these and you mixed up the screws already, the 4 on the front here are shorter than the rest. Oh, looks like one screw there is missing. So we just got 3, 3, and 3 in this case. But anyways, now we're going to go ahead and pop the bottom cover off. You want to be very careful because the hinge is broken. Usually what I do is I'll get in the gap here with my fingernail, okay? And then I'll push on the palm rest with my thumb, just like this, and you can see it pops out. Don't push on the touchpad, just the palm rest area. Okay, you can see that's all popping out, and we're going to go down the sides as well and do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to flip it over so you can kind of see what's going on. This laptop kind of turns itself on as you work on it, so you got to be careful there. Alright, we're going to pop these up and wiggle this around and get that going. Okay, so kind of got to wiggle and pull this because the hinge, or sorry, the little latches on the back here are a little bit strong. This side for some reason stuck extra strong. But usually you would kind of like wiggle it, and you can see I'm sliding my fingernail along as well to try and get underneath, and there we go. Alright, we got the bottom cover off. I am going to have to clean it out because it is a bit dusty. Their charge port is also bad. Sadly, it looks like the charge port is soldered in there. So I'm going to have to let the customer know so they can decide whether it's worth it or not to fix this, because repairing the charge port on here is going to be quite pricey. Alright, so let me let them know, and I'll be back. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so the customer decided not worth it, so let's go ahead and put this thing back together. So just gotta snap all this stuff back down. Okay, since we didn't disconnect anything inside, we should be okay. And then we'll just get all these screws back in, and that's pretty much it. If you want to see actually how to fix the hinges and stuff, I actually have videos showing that on other models that are very similar, pretty much the same exact idea. If you can't find one, just let me know, but you can just search like Lenovo, Hinge, or JB Weld, and it's been repaired, and you'll find my videos. Alright, other than that, that's pretty much it. Sorry for this disappointing video. Hopefully you at least got a somewhat of a quick look inside. I didn't go over the components, but the customer's waiting outside to pick up their computer, so I don't have time for that. But yeah, hopefully you were able to at least get a quick glance and see what's inside there. And yeah, this is a, what is this? IdeaPad 3 15 ITL 6, I think. I'm gonna have to lift it up so I can see. But yeah, Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15 ITL 6, yeah. Okay, I don't know if I have a video of one of this model, so I'm just going to upload this anyways, and at least now it's open so they have access to it. Alright, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.